The challenges, COVID took a better part of our social lives, our entertainment lives, to the extent that a lot of events went on hold. Those who could afford were also able to do the virtual in style, and Emmy Awards was one magnificent event that really paved the way when, in the thick of COVID, when a lot of events had gone on the shelf and could not go through. They were able to come up creatively and do something really exciting virtually. Events Guide today is super excited because we have this amazing entrepreneur who, from the days of his music life, was outstanding, and even when he went on into events organization, has really been outstanding, and the world is now knowing about what he's into, what his hand has touched. He has the hand of gold. When he touches anything, it turns into gold. And so for Events Guide magazine, we thought that the cover should bear a statement, something that when the world spots, they would know that this really is a man of class. This is a cover that actually speaks volumes of Brandon, speaks volumes of class, speaks volumes of, we have a common word, we say the ethos. So the ethos of Events Guide magazine 2021 has the man who is outstanding, and tonight we are as well celebrating him in the person of Kojo Soboh. Kojo, we are very happy, we are proud of you, and with a round of applause, please let's welcome Kojo, because he's the face of Events Guide 2021. And again, let me quickly say thank you to the entire team that made Events Guide 2021 possible. Congratulations, thank you. Kojo, congrats.
Thank you very much. My sweetheart.
Gladys, please stay with us. Gladys, please come back, stay with us. Well, I'd like to introduce the cover star of the March 2021 edition of the Event Guide magazine. Now, we'll also ask a few friends to join us whilst we do the unveiling. But I thought about a very interesting intro for you. You know, a child once asked the mom why their dad is bald. And the mother said, because daddy thinks a lot, daddy thinks too much. Well, actually, bald people do really think. Number one, Jeff Bezos. Number two, Steve Ballmer, he owns an NBA team. Number three, Domenico Dolce, one half of Dolce and Gabbana. You heard that, chocolate? Go bald now, my friend. Number four, Michael Jordan, the greatest sportsman alive, the greatest of the NBA of all time. Number five, Mr. Kojo Soboh, everybody.
Thank you very much. You're a very good friend. I really appreciate you. I have something little to say. Hope it's not long. So, a year older today and full of gratitude. Thanking God for this awesome trip around the sun and the opportunity to travel the next one in His grace and favor. I'm especially grateful today because just a month ago, armed robbers somehow disabled my alarm system at my home and robbed me and my brother up while taking our valuables. My mind still plays back to them constantly clocking their guns and their constant threats to shoot us. Truly one of the worst experiences of my life. I cannot count how many times I said my last prayers during that moment. My take out from that experience is that life is not guaranteed. You need to live your best life and your best and full life as much as you can, because tomorrow is not promised. I thank the many loved ones who supported us in that difficult moment. Here's to you. Indeed, today's most valuable currency is social capital. We are the people we interact with. And the beautiful people I see here today is a testament of that. I want to thank Event Guide magazine for this honor as the cover personality for this March issue. Thank you for recognizing my work. My goal is to create something bigger than myself. The idea is not to live forever, but to create something that will live forever. I always believe that the quality of my work is a reflection of the quality of my character. And that I am committed to because God rewards excellence. So tonight, I want to toast to a good life, to success, and nothing less. I love you all. Thank you so much.
Your birthday, wow.
Exactly. It's my birthday, I've been loud.
Yeah.
Loud as hell.
You really carry the ethos so high. I'm so proud of you, Kojo.
Thank you very much.
You're the special one I've ever known. Yes, the others, when is your time? I'll tell you soon. But Kojo, yes, you're a wonderful man. I'm proud of you. You make events organized in Ghana something else. You make a statement. And there's yet another event that is going to outdo any award. I don't know who is going to be able to do that because I know this year you're going to come out even more stronger and more classier, and the ethos is going to be raised to the maximum, and Ghana and the world will know and will pay to come and watch Emmy Africa in Ghana here. Congratulations, God bless you.
Kojo looks like a proud father. Do you want to cry now?
Oh no, I don't cry. Only
Alright,
this cry.
Miss Nancy, hey, how are you? Come to the stage. It's a everybody's having fun. And so far we know Kojo has bone straight shoes, and also that Kojo is hiding his girlfriend. That's the second one. Because Mr. Supreme asks, where's the woman? Hello, Miss Nancy.
Okay, so now I'm Ghana's only style coach, and I can confidently say he's one of the most stylish gentlemen in Ghana. Yeah, I can help but say I'm supposed to roast you, right? Yeah. And what I hate about Kojo is the fact that he's always on great getaways in Ghana. He visits places that you know existed, and he makes the best out of it, and he never tells you where he's going. You just invite pictures, and then you're like crazy. And I always try to pretend I'm trying to keep fit, and I'll come and try to walk by this place, and when I get here, this guy will not even let me walk. They're just 5 minutes walk, not in Tokwa, and Nkonkonsa. You are an amazing man, and Kojo, you are truly loved. And I love your spirit of excellence. I love you.
The only star coach in Ghana says you're one of the most best dressed gentlemen. Let's go to another well-dressed gentleman. I don't know how he considers to be your friend. They said no friend can dress better than you. Please welcome up Harold. Come back. Come here. Harold, come out. No hiding. Come here, my man. Another stylish gentleman. A stylish friend of Kojo. Let me ask you, how do you look this stylish? You're one of the closest friends to Kojo.
Trying to be like you.
Come on.
What am I supposed to say?
Roasted.
What's that?
Say something horrible.
Do you come to say something horrible?
Yes. Behave yourself, say. Behave yourself, say.
Kojo, why are you always trying to reduce your age? has been going up and down with me this time, trying to age mates with me. I mean, with the youngsters, I understand. Why are you constantly trying to be young?
I'm not a footballer.
You're not a footballer. Okay. We'll find out from your passport.
So many things we are finding out tonight. Kojo's reducing his age. He has bone straight shoes. He's hiding the misses also. Let's go to another very stylish gentleman, a man I really revere, and that's what I'm doing now so excellently. Please welcome Nathaniel Atol. Where's he? Yes, sir, citizen. Please come here. Citizen Atol. It's a roast. Welcome, sir.
Wagwan. Salutes to everybody tonight. This is preventing me from enjoying the little thing of but it's okay. Charlie, but why? Hello? Hi. No, I can't hear you. Hello? Hi. Charlie, why?
I mean, Charlie Kojo, why? You know, so I walked in here and, you know, I noticed something sparkling, you know? Something was just sparkling at the gate. And for those of you who can see the front of the gate, it's very, you know, not so lit. And you can just see something, you know, sparkling. You know, yeah, say that again, brother. Yeah, I like that. You know, but hey, big shouts to my man Kojo. Done a great job in the entertainment industry. You know, got this thing going for him. But Charlie, once again, W-H-Y. No, I can't hear you. W-H-Y. Kojo, why? We're all here in Accra. Take it easy, bro. But hey, big ups to you, my guy.
Let me respond to that.
Why? For those of you who are not in favor of him responding, say no. The no's have it. So hey, big ups to you, man, and happy birthday. Big shouts to Event Sky. I think this is a good initiative, and you know, loads and loads of people in this industry are going to have their turn, and so it's a good time to salute you. You've done a wonderful job, and I know that this is going to push you to get it, you know, get it even higher and better. Get Hollywood and MTV standards right here. Get Oscar standards right here. We've got the people, we've got the brain, we've got the quality. Why not? Let's get it done. And this is a man whose brainchild is one of the biggest of them. So let's support him. Let's get all of this done. But once again, Kojo.
Thank you, sisters and Ato. That's the master of the craft. Let's go to another very well-dressed gentleman. All these guys wanted to be Kojo's friends at the same time. Please welcome Mr. Jesse Adjupon to the stage. Please come here. Come to this roast. It's a party. No, it's not a president calling. Where you go? Come to this roast. Just Adjupon on the way. See, this guy looks very flashy. One of the biggest designers in Africa. Please welcome Chocolate. Chocolates, come here. Come here, my friend. Madam, you can wait, man. You are fine, though. You are fine. What's your name?
I was just in the middle of closing the deal.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Kojo, why? Guys, and then I will misbehave. So, the Kojo, me and Kojo go way back. Way. Oh, wait.
What is the way?
Away. Actually, yeah. So, sorry, I actually introduced it. So, but at the point where, you know, I was just starting my business, and Charlie, Kojo has been there right from day one. Charlie, putting me in the right hands, you know, not leaving me with the lions chew me up. But yeah, but Charlie, what has baffled me over the years has always been how when Kojo is coming for visit, Charlie, guys, you don't know. See, Kojo is the only client that comes for fit with about 5 options of shoes, 3 options of beard comb. Hey, like perfume, so guys, not why.
Boxer shorts.
Actually, thanks for boxer shorts. Yeah. But Charlie, thank you so much for the support. Hello. Yeah, thank you so much for the support, man. I think Charlie, chocolate won't be chocolate without you. Junkies will be junkies without you. And Charlie, as we keep on building the business and taking the conversation and taking the vision to another level, I know that Charlie will be working hand in hand and taking Ghana to the world. So check. Happy birthday, bro. Charlie, big ups to Event Guide as well, Charlie. You guys is holding. And big ups to this team.
Chocolate!
Can I dress you too?
Of course you can! Chocolate, one of the biggest designers in Africa. Dresses Jamie Foxx, Steve Harvey, Kojo Soboh. Yeah. let me take an elderly statesman of the craft who's been in the creative arts industry for as long as I have been alive. Please welcome Mr. George Bus. Mr. Uncle George was opening to the stage. Hello. You said some very nice things about Kojo this morning on my TV show. You said it live here.
Every day is important.
Every day. Hey, can I get a mic for Kojo?
When it comes to Shada, nobody shatters more than. In fact, if you shatter more than Kojo, you will get angry and you will no longer be your friend. Thank you.
That's true.
He gets angry and is no longer going to be your friend. Wow. I clearly understand why I'm still Kojo's friend. This gentleman, very good looking too. Are you Kojo's friend, senior? Hey, if you be Kojo's friend, like Kojo suck you already. If you be Kojo's friend, like we suck you. Look, a couple more of Kojo's stuff there. Gladys, hey, how are you? Come to the middle here, roast Kojo. Right here, this right here. Stop right here.
Ethos. The ethos tonight is something else. From your shoes, hair. What kind of hair is those shoes? Brazilian hair.
About what? How many years ago? 15 years ago. This guy was giving us moves today. Just 3, 2, 1. There you go. Congratulations, Kojo Soboh. I love to celebrate people and their achievements. Kojo Soboh, co-founder, executive director, Every Africa. Let's go cover. Of course, the head is over there. Check the head. Congratulations! Kojo Soboh, happy birthday to you. More life, more life, more life. Hip, hip, hip!